Hi children, today we are going to practice handwriting with colors, spellings of colors. What is the color normally children, little girls like? Little girls like a lovely color starting with P. What is that? Good, pink. What's the color of my sari? Pink. So let's write the spelling for pink. Where do you find pink? Flowers. You paint your house in pink color. Yes, spell pink. P-I-N-K. Now let's do the writing. Good. Look. P-I-N-K. Pink. Shall we write the P in capital? Good. P-I-N-K. Pink. Next. What's the color of tomato? Good, red. What's the color of apple? Red. You like red color? Good. Now, tell me a red flower. Shoe flower. Spell red. R-E-D. Red. Very good. Let's write now. R-E-D. Red. Shall we write the R in capital? R-E-D. Red. Good. What's the color of the lovely sky? Blue. Very good. Light blue, dark blue. Yes. Spell blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Good. Let's write it. B-L-U-E. Blue. Let's write the B in capital. B L U E. Blue. Blue. Good. Now, tell me what's the color of the big elephant? Donkey. What color will you say? Good. Gray. Spell gray. G-R-E-Y. Gray. A donkey is gray color. An elephant is gray color. Let's write. G R E Y. Gray. Shall we write the G in capital? G R E Y. Gray. Now let's look at all of them. What's the first one? Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink color. You like pink color? Good. R-E-D. Red. Red color. What's red color? Apples. Good. B-L-U-E. Blue. What is blue color? The sky. Good. G-R-E-Y. Gray. Give me an animal with gray color. Elephant. Very good. Let us now take another set of colors. Yes? Now, you go into your garden. What is the first color you see? What is the color of the lovely grass and leaves? Good. Green. You see different shades of green over there. How do you spell green? G-R-E-E-N. Green. So the leaves are green, grass is green. Totally. The garden looks green. Let's write green. G R E E N. Green. Let's write the G capital. G R E E N. Green. So grasses, green. Good. What's the next color we'll write? You see a common bird around your house. What is the color of that bird? What's the name of that bird? Crow. What is the color of the crow? Black crow. Raven is always jet black. How do you spell black? B L A C K. Black. Let's write. B L A C K. Black. Now let's write the B capital. B L A C K. Black. Good. What's the next color we'll write? Which is the biggest flower that you've seen? What's the biggest flower? Sunflower. What's the color of sunflower? Yellow. Good. The spelling of yellow. Y E L L O W. Yellow. The sunflower always faces the sun. It's nice and bright and yellow. Let's write yellow. Good. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Yellow sunflower. Now let's write the Y capital. Y E L L O W. Yellow. Good. You open your notebook and you want to write. What's the color of that paper? White. Good. Very good. Now have you seen tiny little rabbits? Good. What's the color of rabbit? White. Nice, lovely white. What's the color of the powder? What's the color of the chalk? All white. Now, how do you spell white? W H I T E. White. Shall we write white? Good. W H I T E. White. Shall we write the W capital? Good. W H I T E. White. Now look at all the colors we have written so far. What's the first one? Green. G R E E N. What is green? Green color, green grass, green leaf. Yes, tell me a vegetable green. Good, cucumber. Look, next, what do you have here? Black. B L A C K. Black. Which bird is black color? Crow. Good. What color is this? Yellow. Y E L L O W. Name the flower that's yellow. Sunflower. Give me a fruit that is yellow. Good. Lemon. Banana. Very good. And what is this last color? White. 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 White paper. White rabbit. Good. Let's write the next set of colors. Yes? Good. When you go into the garden, you see huge trees. Yes, you've seen neem tree, then big mango tree, any tree that you find. Look at the bark of the tree, the trunk of the tree. What is the color? Good, brown. What's the color of the soil? What's the color of the soil? Garden soil. Brown. And I'm sure you've seen brown birds. Yes, brown is a beautiful color. Normally, what's the color of your doors and windows? Yes, if it is wooden and not painted, brown. Spell brown. Brown. Shall we write it? Good. Brown. 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 Shall we write the B? Capital Brown. Brown. Good. Next, what color? Tell me a color and the name of the fruit, both same. The name of the fruit and the color same. Tell me, guess what? Begins with O. Good. Orange. Orange is a color. Orange is a fruit. What is that vegetable that is orange in color? Carrot. Very good. You like oranges? Orange juice? What else is that color? When the mango is fully ripe, it will be nice orangish color. Have you seen? Curd. Have you tasted? Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Shall we write it? Good. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Let's write the O capital. O R A N G E. Orange. What's the next color that we'll write? Tell me a vegetable. You get it in two colors. Nice, long, very tasty. It's called eggplant. What is that? Yes, brinjal. You've seen long brinjals, round brinjal, green color and purple color. And the purple color in the brinjal looks lovely, isn't it? Spell purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Next time, ask mommy to show you the purple color brinjal. Good. Purple. P U R P L E. Purple. Let's write the P capital. P U R P L E. Purple. What next color shall we write? Tell me a flower whose name starts with a V. It's a lovely, delicate, gentle flower. Violet. Violet, yes, that's a lovely flower. Is the color and is the name of a flower. Now, the rainbow. The rainbow has 7 colors and it starts with this particular color. What is that? Violet. Yes. Let's spell violet. 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 Good. It's a beautiful little flower. V. I. O. L. E. T. Violet. Let's write the V capital. V. I. O. L. E. T. Violet. Look at all the colors we have written. Look at this set of colors. What's the first one? Brown. Spell brown. Brow. And brown. What is brown? The soil in your garden is brown. Little mouse is brown color. Yes, I'm sure you have teddies also with you. Brown teddies. Brow and brown. What's the next color we have here? Orange. A color and a fruit same. Orange. Orange. Good. What is next color? Purple. Spell Purple. Purple. What is purple color? Yes, brinjal, the eggplant. Brinjal. This brinjal purple in color. Finally, what color is this? Violet. 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 The first color in the rainbow. Yes, it's also a beautiful flower.